this tail represents a symbolic of US map, and since we are looking at square in the background, it's called as tail, I guess. Okay, so quickly let's see like how to make this chart. And I also have one more coloring tip for today. We'll start with the coloring tip and close with the tail map. So here currently the coloring, if you see, it's happening on an overall level. When I mean overall level, irrespective of the state, like whichever is great is getting the denser color and whichever is less is getting the lighter color. Now assume a case where we have to color it based on the state, based on like state level. How we can do that? Any idea or thoughts?
Table across color.
Okay. That's how we do that one of the way. So quickly pull the unemployment. Currently the metric is colored by unemployment. Just pull it in tooltip. Pull it in tooltip. Add quick table calculation. Table across on which one? By rank, by the way.
That should be for color, right?
Yeah, rank.
No, you are doing it for tooltip.
Yeah, just for the view. First we'll view it in tooltip, then we'll change it to color.
Okay.
Table across. So if you know, it's like 10.2 is rank 1 over here and 3 will be down. Yeah. So now if we convert this to color, now the coloring happens that happens in a state level. But if you want denser color for the highest unemployment rate, then go to colors, edit colors, then give reverse. Now we will just see how to make this tail map. So before making this tail map, there is some modification are required in data structure. Quickly we'll try to view what's the structure of data. So if you view here, the unemployment data is by default the data which the visualization has to be made, and tail template is the data which you have to make by the way. So we'll just view what is the data structure behind this tail template. So tail template, if you see, for each state there is a row number and column number, and if we plot this, so we get state across each point, and this point, this rows and column number matters for this state, and this is already by default designed by some Tableau and master. So this is the data structure for this. Each state should have one column and one row, and the alignment should be based on the geographic map of US.
It's like a coordinate system.
Yeah, coordinate system itself. So quickly we will open it.
Is this looking like upside down or?
Yeah.
We can reverse the axis. Yeah.
Okay. But this is a very good idea, using a.
So connect to data. First we'll connect to that employment data, which was the unemployment rate. Then add tail table. This give left sign and status is state. Okay. Now we'll just create some of the calculated fields here only. We have year, month, we want it in terms of like continuous date. Create calculated field. And here is nothing. Before making this, we have to just convert this type to integer. That's by default. Okay. So now we can create that calculation. Date. By using make date function, and here it's nothing, month. Day doesn't matter, we'll just give one. So now we got the date, and also here we have the raw metric like how many unemployed, employed, and employable. For unemployment rate, we have to create one more calculated field. Employed divided by employable population, and that's nothing but the unemployment rate we will aggregate here. Now we are just ready with the data set. We'll just go ahead and make the visualization. So rows to row, we wanted to drop it as dimension. And columns. Okay. Now we can reverse this axis. We'll just convert it into text. So we got roughly the US tail map. So now the geographic roles, everything is correct. Now we will proceed with the line chart which we have. So for making line chart, we are just showing it as time series. So month, date. Employment rate. So before making this, you have to convert this into discrete. Now pull the date. Okay, and unemployment rate. Convert this into line. Yeah, so now we got roughly the trend for each state, unemployment rate. Now if you work on a little bit more formatting, we will get the outcome as expected. We'll hide all these axes. Okay. To get the tail, what we'll do, just for namesake, to get some axis, we'll give average of 1. And we'll convert it into bar chart instead of line. To dual axis. So now we got take the tail. And we no need to synchronize. If you synchronize, like 1 will be here and there, the percentages, it will be confusing. To make it uniform, let's not synchronize and hide. Yeah, this is the US tail chart by line. And if you want to have area instead of line, just convert it. Convert the line chart to area. So here we get area chart. Also, to get familiar, like instead of going and hovering over each state and getting the information tooltip, instead of that, just add the abbreviation in the text here. And if you edit the label, line is just only on the starting of line, show me the label. Show it on the top. And color. Show me some light color. So this is what I had for you guys today. If you have any doubts,
Nothing from my end. I think it's a brilliant piece of visualization. Super.
Yes, nice one, Jairam. Really looks good. If you see, some time ago, Chaitanya was asking a similar sort of thing.
instead of pie charts,
Some bar can. Can we quickly check if it's possible? Instead of in the line, if we can get a bar. Yeah, change at a bar.
Here we have like so much data. If you
maybe put only. Okay. Yeah.
Should we adjust the
And,
size of the bar or something?
Till you're taking 2 years, so that's the reason.
And 24 bars will come.
Nice. Do you have any other dimension, like if you can just okay, wait down. Okay, just color the bars with the ear. You can just want to see how it looks like.
I think it's not possible because color is already taken by measure names.
Measure names, huh?
We can color multiple lines.
That's for the average that you put. For the bars.
Okay.
Yeah, I think what you put just now, right? That's also a good way to look at it, because I think each ear is having a different color. I think that's
different shade. Yeah. That's a good thing. But I just wanted to see if we can color the bars inside. Okay. The ear is dimension. Okay. Can you change the palette to maybe from sequential to something else? Tableau 10 or anything should be good. Yeah. Okay. Got it. Looks nice. Interesting visualization. If you see the application of maps, literally in all the dashboards that I have built so far, and I have seen our colleagues build earlier, like maps play an important role in understanding some key metrics across US all at once. Okay, and oftentimes we use the attributes that are already available, like size or color, or to the matter label or tooltips to basically convey the information. But yeah, this sort of enables us to portray the state level information onto a next level, so to be able to show some trends or bars. Or yeah, that's a really good technique. Nice one, Jairam.